Alright, so valve cover gasket was not the problem with the misfire, so today we're going to be replacing the plugs and wires. Let's get into it. We have that. That one. There's that one. Okay, that was cylinder 4. Let's do the one for cylinder 2. Right in there. Hand tighten it down. Until it's finger tight. Get the ratchet in there. Just not too tight, just enough, because it's going to have to come out again at some point, for sure. That's that for that side. Okay, now time to unplug these 2 wires. One. Man. There's 2. Take them out of these channels. There we go. Old wire out. Now these are brand new ones. They're NGK, just like the plugs. They'll hopefully be a lot better quality, name brand. OEM fitment. That's what he's like. Alright, and these are labeled. Let me try to focus on that. Oops, wrong way. This is number 2, so that's the one you're going to start with. Because in a Subaru engine, this is number 2, this is number 4, it's labeled right on there. That's 3, and that's 1. So that's the firing order, or the pattern. Alright, so plug this in up here. Make sure it clicks on good. And then feed it through wire channels. Make sure to clip it down to those so it stays out of the way. And then plug it in over here. Let me move the camera. Whoa. Okay. And then we plug it into the spark plug and should get a pretty good click there too. This is going to make the engine bay look a little bit nicer too. And basically it's the same process for all the other ones. Alright, let's see if I mess anything up. Alright, well I took it out for a test drive. Misfire seems to be gone, which is good. So now I just got to tackle doing the other two, even though they're fine. I'd like them all to be the same or run better. So yeah, I got to work on getting this air box out and getting to this side. Alright, we got this side exposed, so now we just got to repeat the process. Oh, that plug was extremely loose. That'd be part of a problem too. Just repeating the process. Don't work underneath your hood strap. That's not safe. Alright, well, it still works. I replaced all the plugs and wires. The only thing I can't find right this second is this plastic clip, which is annoying, but not that big a deal. Yeah, so got everything fixed up, no misfire. Pretty nice. Next episode will probably be me doing Bondo. Got a few rust spots I can show you, actually. This side, you can tell, has been done before. You've got to redo that. And then this side isn't as bad, but still definitely rust. And then got a little more there in the rocker. I don't know what I'm going to do about the front there, but